Hi, my name is Jamie. In today's video, I will show you how to set up a loyalty program in Poshier POS. Like many POS systems, loyalty programs can help businesses attract and retain customers. Customers can earn points based on the amount they spend and redeem those points as cash to settle payments. Okay, let's jump into Poshier. If you're not already there, go to the menu and tap the Loyalty Program Setup button here. Here, you can set up the program by first entering the name of the program. Then enter the points per dollar value. In this example, I set it to 1, meaning £1 equals 1 point. Next, enter the redemption rate. I set it to 100, so 100 points equals £1. Finally, choose the expiration rule. You can select either time-based or end of year. Time-based means the points expire after a certain period, while end of year means the points will expire at the end of the year. In this example, I set it to 12, which means 12 months. Now, tap Save. To use the loyalty program, you need to create an account for customers. Go to Takeaway, tap the customer icon, and then tap New. Enter your customer's information in the available fields. Tap Save, and then tap Close. Now, I want to show you how a customer earns points by paying for an order. Add any item to the order, then add a customer by tapping the customer icon. Select a customer and then tap Pick. Your customer is now added to this order, and their name will appear in the orange badge above the order window. Tap the Checkout button, then tap the Pay button in the panel on the right. Tap Confirm. By doing this, 10 points will be added to the customer's account. To verify this, go back to the customer's window and tap the blue icon next to their name. Tap the Points selection to see the points history. This window shows you all the transaction records for the customer. Close the window for now. Now, I will add more points to this customer so I can show you how to do redemption. Okay, let's add a customer and any item to this order. Tap Checkout and then tap Redeem. Enter 100 for 100 points. Since our program is set to 100 points for £1, £1 will be deducted from the total. Tap Apply. The remaining balance is now £9. Tap Pay and then Confirm. To verify, go back to the customer window. As you can see, every transaction is saved. You can also view it in the reports. There you have it. Thank you for watching our video. See you again in the next one.